Hello, my dear friends. After these difficult times that we had with the COVID situation, I'm really happy to announce you for the third time the prosthetic course that is taking place in Athens, in my hometown, and covers the whole spectrum of prosthodontics. In the first session we are going to have Andrea Ricci from Italy, Florin Cofar from Romania, Ilia Roussou and me, myself from Greece, and we are going to cover the whole setup of a full mouth case, how we choose a centric dilation, centric occlusion, splines, how we increase the video or we reduce the video, and of course photography, and how we design a smile design, a digital smile design, or the smile cloud also from Florin. In the second session we will be focusing only in prosthodontics on implants. We will be having the Geneva team. I'm very happy to have here Irena Sailer and Vincent Fehmer from Geneva, as well as Francesco Mintrone from Italy. We will be covering how we do and how we develop the emergence profile of a single implant until we go further to a full mouth case on implants. As well, we will be having my friend Ioannis Vergoulis from Rhodos, developing and explaining the cell ecosystem. In the third session, we will be focusing only on prosto with ceramic veneers. I'm very happy to have Nazariy Mykhaylyuk from Ukraine, and he will be covering the whole topic with myself, from preparing setup and how we cement at the end with under rubber dam the veneer case. Plus we will have also a lot of hands-on course in this session. The last session we will be covered by Daniel Edelhoff. The whole group will move to Munich, and Daniel will show all the available intraoral scanners that are existing right now in the world. You will be having the opportunity to work with all of them, and I'm really sure that you will really enjoy these sessions of the Prosto course. So I am inviting you to take part in it. Thank you very much.